Okay, now that we have our basic needs flip book, let's actually talk about the basic needs of each living thing. Our first basic need is food. Everything has to have food. Now, what is food? Food is a substance that provides energy to organisms. Okay, so under my flip book, I am going to carefully lift up food. I'm going to turn my notebook, and I'm going to write. I'm going to try and fit it all under my food. Substance that provides energy, that gives energy to organisms. Then when that closes, you can't even tell. You have to flip it up to find it. Good job. Let's find out what else all living things need. What does this look like it might be? Water. Necessary for the survival of all living things. Okay? So under here, I'm just going to put necessary. Oops, I guess I need capital N. For all living things, period. There's water. What do we think this would be? Climate. What's important about climate? The general weather condition of a place. Now, all living things need to have an appropriate climate. We would never send a flamingo to the Antarctic. That would be way too cold. We would never put a polar bear in the middle of San Francisco. Way too many people, way too hot. So we will just write under climate, the general weather condition of a place. Remember, you should be pausing to make sure you get this all copied down correctly. Weather condition of a place. Boom. Okay, let's find out what else we need. Oxygen. Very important. Animals use lungs to breathe in air, which is oxygen, and out carbon dioxide. Fish get oxygen from water. So under oxygen, you're just going to say animals use lungs to breathe in air. And oxygen. And out, that should say out, not our, carbon dioxide. Fish get oxygen from water. Okay, close it up. All right, one more. What do we think this is? Food, water, climate, oxygen, and shelter. Place to protect an organism from the elements of the land. This would be like a house, somewhere that an organism can go for refuge or protection. So you could even write something like a place for protection. Protect an organism from the elements of the land. All right, there you have it. Make sure you've got all of these filled out. When you do, you can go ahead and upload that picture to Seesaw, which you will find the instructions for that right below.